Hello everyone, Senior Master Reid here. I wanted to reach out to you guys and let you know that next week we are very excited. We are going to host our Holiday Parents Night, and it is totally free for all of our students or anyone on the outside as long as they bring one guest only, and a present that has been gift wrapped of a value less than $15 so that we may help out some people who are a little bit less fortunate, okay? So that's very important. Also on the 8th next week is our testing deadlines. A lot of stuff crams into December. Please get all your registrations taking place prior to that so that one, you don't get a late charge, and two, we can have everything organized properly, okay? One of the things that we're listening to you guys and we're doing, I've now added what? Some QR codes onto the website, onto all of our flyers and posters so that it makes it much easier for you guys to scan and get the information that you would like. This Saturday, I'm going to be teaching my Tai Chi workshop on applications, and I'm looking forward to that. That'll be really cool. You don't have to be a Tai Chi student if you want to take that, so anyone is welcome to come and so forth. At 2 o'clock on Saturday, I'm going to teach a Kuntao Silat class, and that will serve as the warm-up for Guru Bahati will be coming on the 17th. Testing on the 13th and 14th in-house, and then on the 15th, we will be at the Kennesaw Rec Center for our graduation. That's it for right now, guys. Terima kasih, aloha, one love, peace, we love you.